Probably either tomorrow or the day after. I'm gonna go down there, take the turbo, show them how I want it to look. And if you guys see right here, I got this
Yeah, I got it. It's been a long time coming. I got it by myself. I appreciate the help along the way by myself, but I got it. When niggas hated on me, I got it by myself. When niggas skated on me, I did it by myself. Ain't had no patience for me, I waited by myself. Now I don't need no help, I did it by myself. I got it by myself, I got it by myself.
What up, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, you guys, man. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the maXpeedingRODS. Okay, check. Look, like this is a turbo. Like, this is my first turbo ever, and shout out to them for sending me this because they want me to install it on the Dodge Charger, you guys. So I never see nobody with this turbo. Everybody go with the regular, well, it's not regular, but everybody goes with the whole kit assembly. But I want to do something different and stand out. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing and see how this looks. And it also comes with, of course, you guys know I'm gonna put that on the whip. Comes with the gaskets, everything that you need. And of course, the main course. You guys, I'm not gonna lie. This does not feel like a cheap turbo. This does not feel like a cheap turbo. So let's go ahead. Now off the bat, you guys, this turbo is heavy. Like, there you guys, let's take a little closer look. See how that looks. It looks well built. Okay. Take that off. Has a little bit of play. Take these caps off. Okay, again, I got that little name right there. Okay, okay. Yeah, this turbo does not feel cheap, you guys. This turbo does not feel cheap. All right, you guys, so as you guys can see the unboxing, like the turbo is nothing really small. It's really like a big turbo. Like, this is not a small turbo. Shout out to maXpeedingRODS for sending me this turbo. Smells so good. But yeah, it also comes with the gaskets as well. It comes with the flange and then the exhaust gasket, and it comes with this logo right here that you guys may see. Let's see what else this thing got. But I like this logo because it has like this 3D effect, which I don't mind putting on my my Dodge Charger. So if you guys do want to see this build on this Dodge Charger, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And so this really wasn't even my idea. So right now I'm gonna be building a 6.4 block, the bare block. I'm building it up by myself. So maXpeedingRODS actually reached out to me, and I was like, shoot, why not? You know, I got a V6 in there. Let's see what this can do, because I don't see nobody with this turbo. Okay, nobody. And I want to be the first to actually install a turbo like this on a Dodge Charger, and as well to let people know the cost, if it's cheaper to go this route, which I feel like it is. If you you know, watch this build, you know, of course you guys will see that. But you will obviously need an intercooler, your lines, all that good stuff. I'm gonna have to wait on that stuff before I can actually start the project on this. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna have BMR, Black Market Racing. They're gonna make me just something to merge off of the exhaust manifold. So basically making me, like, obviously to mount this, because obviously the Dodge Charger, they have the belt, but this one is gonna be like through the exhaust manifold. So they're gonna make me a custom pipe that just merges off. So it's not gonna be too expensive. If you guys do want to see that, make sure, like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. But I'm really just like lost for words, to be honest, because I didn't expect this at all. It comes with literally all your gaskets, okay? Literally everything that you probably, well, not everything, but you know, it comes with, I believe, let's see what this is. Just another booklet that's talking about maXpeedingRODS. And installation instructions if you're not familiar on how to install a turbo. So pretty much it's kind of straightforward. Let me see what this is. TurboCharged troubleshooting. So it has all those stuff for you that you guys may need to get your maXpeedingRODS turbocharger. Like I said, it spins beautifully. Like it literally, not too much play. You know what I'm saying? It is a turbo. To me, it looks good. You know what I'm saying? To me, it looks good. You know what I'm saying? For the dollar that it is. If you guys do or are interested in purchasing this for your vehicle, make sure you guys use the code Life of Trey so you can get up to 20% off. Okay? And get your car spinning some tires, because this will definitely do it. This will definitely do it. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I know sometimes you guys forget you watch this video, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, man, because I'm kind of excited to see what this thing is really gonna do to this charger. Like, I'm gonna literally have them make a custom manifold pipe for this. You're gonna probably see how, probably it would be like, probably like downward like that in the front. So you guys, this is pretty much how I'm gonna have the turbo. It's gonna be like right here. So I'm gonna basically get a custom manifold for this. So Black Market Racing is gonna do it for me. So probably either tomorrow or the day after, I'm gonna go down there, take the turbo, show them how I want it to look. And if you guys see right here, I got this this right here, so that way I can put an intake right here on it, because I got a Hellcat hood, so more air can suck into this. So this is pretty much how the turbo is gonna look. We're gonna figure this out. But make sure you guys stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.